I've been getting harder. Ooh yeah. I sleep at them. Jah carry me through everything. I have no fear for anything. Jah gave me all the strength I need to make it through this world I was born in. Rastafari is my peace of mind. Jah, thank you for your loving kindness, for every drop of air I breathe, and for waking me up this morning. And when I'm trotting in the streets today, please, Jah, Jah never leave my side. And every day the same prayer I say, and I'm saying it to one more time. Yeah, trotting in the streets I pray. Jah, Jah beg you please, never left I and I. Oh, never leave I and I. Rastafari, be my eyes, I can see all the possible things people could be. Jah, Jah be my guide, cause I can only protect my flesh. But people wear disguises, help me realize, teach me love unconditionally. Can't go around preying everybody. The closest of friends will deceive you badly. I learned that Rastafari is my family. So when I'm trotting in the streets today, please, Jah, Jah never leave my side. And every day the same prayer I say, and I'm saying it to one more time. When I'm trotting in the streets I pray, I'm begging you please, never left I and I. Oh, Jah,
don't you leave. Inna me going out and inna me coming in, please watch over I. Protect my family when I no localize. When chatting through these streets, keep my focus right, no oversight. A battlefield, this life is so much light. But with you as my guide and shield, any pain I man feel, time will heal, yeah. It's a joy to know it's sign and seal. Confident in the victory, anytime you see the naughty
trotting in the streets today, please, Jah, Jah never leave my side. And every day the same prayer I say, and I'm saying it to one more time. When I'm trotting in the streets I pray, Jah, Jah never left I and I. Oh, Jah, Jah, please.
If I never feel you fall down, we wouldn't dare so tall. How good and great you are to me, oh Father. I've got to take the time to chant a prayer. You've blessed my life eternally, I'm grateful. In the midst of enemies, you keep my plate full. Sometimes I fail, oh gosh, sometimes I falter, and feel as though you've left me in a corner. But here you are, the light upon my tunnel. In the middle of the night, you say you are. I'm gonna make such a joyful noise to the Lord, overcome so me I feel rejoice. I'm here to sing songs of praises and use up my voice in every single tune when me write. So many places me walk, if I never feel you, Father, me would have never dare so attack. So many nights struggle by time me sit down and I write and I breathe it in the good night. All that glitter just ain't gold. At times I'm broken, all alone, and all I know is I is in control. Oh, feels it knows, who feels it knows how good and great you are to me, oh Father. I've got to take the time to chant a prayer. You bless my life and I'm so grateful, yes. You bless my life, yes. Sometimes I feel how good and great, how good and great you are. So many places we walk, and if I never feel Father, we wouldn't dare so done, no. Oh God, how good and great you are, 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 how good and great. Oh gosh, oh yes, oh gosh, oh yes. I will so give thanks, trust me. If I never feel Father, we wouldn't dare so time, we wouldn't dare so I sing, we wouldn't dare do anything. Oh gosh.
You're moving on the moving on the wrong side. You're moving on the you're hiding in the darkness. You're moving on the wrong side. You're living like you're heartless. You're standing on a thin line. And when you think no